Stop by and take a look at the 2017 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Come see the car for yourself.